Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest. And today's video is all about digital world acquisition. That is a DWAC stock, DWAC. And of course, also going to be mentioning fun stock. That's fun with a PH. Because both these stocks have been the talk of the town lately. I've heard them being touted as the meme stocks to end all meme stocks. Both saw their stock prices moon over 1,000% at one point last week. You know, investors were getting very excited for the special purpose acquisition company and advertising software provider that are linked to none other than former President Donald Trump. But it didn't last very long because by Tuesday, things were dipping, and by the close of trading, shares of Funware and Digital World Acquisition were down 39% and 30% respectively. So yeah, what happened? Well, in regards to DWAC stock, it could be because Trump made some comments before the market opened. Last week, investors cheered when the stock announced its plan to merge with Trump Media and Technology Group. But then Trump shared more details of his plans to build a new social network that would try to rival Facebook and Twitter, and also a video streaming service that would go up against Netflix. And that excitement seemed to wane, maybe because they saw it as a bit unrealistic. I mean, Facebook and Twitter and Netflix, pretty hard to rival those, you know? It's pretty hard to get anyone to join a new social media platform, you know? Do you guys remember Peach? Peach came out, I think, in like 2014 or something. Where is it now? Trump did acknowledge these difficulties, the difficulties of trying to go up against these tech giants. He said, since it is both hard and expensive to build a new platform totally independent of big tech's infrastructure, it would have to be an extremely well-funded, multi-year undertaking. In addition, such a platform would need the ability to rapidly attract millions of users, welcoming not only Republicans to join, but independents and Democrats as well. And yeah, it's likely these comments that sort of put a damper on everybody's spirits, because I guess they were hoping for something very fast, something that was already in the works, and that would be a potential for quick returns. Yeah, they're scared about the fact that there's no revenue, there's no product, no business plan. So the name of the social media platform will be Truth Social, and it represents their key product, really, as evidenced by its prominence in its investor presentation. But I think what people are failing to grasp is that, you know, whilst, okay, there's no revenue, no product at the moment, there's under 30 million float, and that's 1% of Facebook's. So it's pretty easy to manipulate at the moment, especially if hedge funds got in early around $10. And also, in regards to the, you know, dip in price, during the Facebook IPO, the price went from $60 to $17 in a few days after trading started. And, you know what happened after that. So I don't think all is lost. I think that it's just going to take a little bit longer. So now, just some news stories and other penny stocks that I want to talk about. Firstly, Amazon have partnered with MI6, British intelligence agencies GQHQ, MI5 and MI6, as well as other government departments, have contracted Amazon's cloud offerings, AWS, Amazon Web Services, to boost artificial intelligence and data mining efforts. The deal is estimated to be valued between $500 million and $1 billion over the next decade. The deal is a first for the UK, which is lagging behind the US in its use of commercial cloud services. So that's pretty cool. Now, let's talk about two penny stocks that insiders are buying. So why is it relevant that insiders are buying them? Well, when insiders purchase or sell shares, it basically shows their either confidence or concern around the company's prospects. Investors and traders interested in penny stocks can consider this as a factor in their overall investment or trading decision. You know, it is one strategy. So the first one is Windtree Therapeutics, and the ticker for that is WINT. President and CEO Craig Fraser acquired a total of 3,000 shares at an average price of $1.90. The insider spent $5,700 to acquire those shares. So what's going on? The Windtree reported notice of allowance from US Patent and Trademark Office for a new istraxamine patent. Windtree Therapeutics is a development stage biotechnology company focused on developing KL4 surfactant therapies for respiratory diseases. And the other penny stock is Biocorx Inc., and the ticker for that is BICX. Independent director Louis C. Lucido acquired a total of 2,931 shares at an average price of $3.20. And the company's shares have jumped around 344% since the start of the year. So what does Biocorx do? So it is actually a rehab center, alcohol treatment and rehabilitation company. It is engaged in the development of Biocorx recovery program for the treatment of not only alcoholism, but also opioid addiction. So yeah, they use a naltrexone implant. So that's it for today, guys. A pretty short video on this rainy Wednesday. Well, it's rainy where I am anyway. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Take care.